If you're looking to move to Ajax and you want to know what the waterfront is all about, then this video is for you as I go over pretty much waterfront living here in Ajax, and we're getting into it right after this. Hey, what's going on? It's Brad Goetz and I'm a local realtor here in the Durham region. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Let YouTube know people are liking what I'm putting out there and they put it in front of more people. I'm going to bring my drone out today, and this video will help uncover what the waterfront living in Ajax is all about. So if you're looking to move here and having a beach or waterfront trail or anything that will just add to a lifestyle, then this video will help uncover that. I have people reaching out from all over the world and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking to move to or from Ajax, then you can call, text, email, send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm here to make your move and relocation go so much easier. So let's get into the video and you can see the different areas that are pretty much in the Ajax waterfront. There's about 5 of them and we're getting into it right now. So the first area that we're at is Paradise Beach, and so this is located at Shoal Point Road and Lakeview. So pretty much it's on the eastern side of Ajax, and I'm going to put the drone up into the air so you can see what it's all about. But pretty much there is a park here, there's a beach that's behind me, and then you also have the waterfront trail, which is great for biking, jogging, pretty much anything that you want to do, even if it's just a matter of walking, with great scenery, trees, nice grass. It's just a really nice place to be. So let's throw the drone up into the air and we will see it from the sky. So I'm at the second waterfront, which is actually by the Ajax water supply plant. This one doesn't have an actual beach per se, so I'll kind of show you here. It's more of like a mini cliff. And if you're scared of heights like me, this isn't even that high, but it's still high enough to the point, just to kind of show you the cliff. There is sand and stone down there, but there's no real beach for you to go to. So let's put the drone up into the sky and you can see what the beach and the field and then the houses within the subdivision are kind of all about. And we'll put it up there now. I'm at the third part of the waterfront tour that we're going through today, and this one's probably the coolest because it's an actual war memorial that they did for the people who served on the HMS Ajax and the HMS Exeter. The town of Whitby, they did a great job by doing this, and when I put the drone up into the sky, you'll see what I'm talking about, where the whole section or monument that they did is actually made to look like a boat from the sky. So it's super cool, and I'm excited to show you what that looks like. Again, this waterfront here is more of trails and stuff to look at. There's not a beach per se to sit there and go and just go swim in the water, but it's definitely cool to check out. I will show you what this boat monument is all about. If you just Google the boat waterfront in Ajax, it will come up, and there's a lot of cool reviews and pictures that you can see. So let's put the drone up into the sky and see what it looks like from 100 meters up. For somewhere you can bike or jog, this is great for that. I have a client, Isaac and Julia. I see your progress on your jogs and running 10 kilometers and all that kind of stuff. I don't think I'd be able to do 2, maybe at a fast walk or something, but definitely not a jog. Guess I got to get in shape for that, but it's just great for that. I'll put the drone up, and then you can see the waterfront trail that's at this section right here. They have a little bit, you'll be able to see here, like a covered area with picnic tables so you can come for lunch. But the main thing is the waterfront trail that's here. So let's put the drone up into the air, and then we'll get a better idea of what this area is all about so you can see it from the sky. I'm at our final beach area or waterfront area of the Ajax Waterfront, and this one is Rotary Park. So this is a real cool setup. They have tons of stuff for kids. So they have the beach, which you can kind of see behind me right over there. There is a playground for children to play at, and then there's also a splash pad. So there's a lot to do, and then there's also the waterfront trail, which is up on that ledge up there. And then it's just really nice, and it just gives you a good feeling when you're here. So we will put the drone up into the sky so you can see what it looks like. As a little bonus, I just wanted to show you Duffys Creek, which is also here. Pretty much you can park, you can pretty much walk through this wooden boardwalk. Super cool, and it's just very nice and peaceful to be walking through. Gets a lot of attention. So I'll put the drone up into the sky and we can see what Duffys Creek, water, trail, and the boardwalk that's here, and we can just get to explore. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are considering moving to Ajax, hopefully the waterfront helps make the decision a little bit easier for you with all the things that you can do here. It is an area that is becoming very popular for people looking to move from Toronto, tired of condo living, and they want to get like a suburban style lifestyle, but still like the waterfront. So it's good for that. If you found the video useful, please like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. That way you get notified each and every time I do post new videos. I have people reaching out from all over the world and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking to move to or from the Durham region, you can call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm here to make your move and relocation go so much easier. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos on my channel, the different playlists, even related to Ajax. Until next time.